Naghahanap din ba kayo ng 5-star staycation dito sa Manila? Well, check nyo tong Diamond Hotel. Tara, room tour tayo. So pagpasok mo ng room, merong malaking mirror dito sa left, closet to the right kung nasan yung ating robe and slippers, and then CR dito sa may kabilang side. Meron tayong toilet with bidet, huge mirror, plus a bathtub. Tapos, paglabas naman natin, meron tayong mini bar dito. Tapos meron tayong kettle, complimentary water. And then, meron tayong malaking flat screen TV, may workspace, may sofa with a view of the Ramon Magsaysay Center, and a queen-sized bed. And kung magbubook ka rin ng hotel for your next staycation, book mo na yan through Agoda and use my promo code to get an additional discount. Login ka lang sa Agoda app, tap deals, and ilagay mo yung promo code para pag naghanap ka na ng hotel, naka-apply na yung discount.